Noir Laurent sets a bold, moody tone with its deep black base acting as a dark canvas for a striking display of brown and gold veining. The surface is full of character and warmth, with each line cutting across the slab in a way that feels intentional and powerful. These slabs are available in a large format and a 12 mm thickness, allowing you to create massive continuous surfaces that highlight the stone's dramatic personality. Offered in book-matched slabs, it can be mirrored to create a perfectly symmetrical look, mimicking the way high-end marble is sliced and opened like a book. It captures the authentic marble effect while offering the superior strength of porcelain stoneware. Because this material is highly resistant to UV rays, stains, and impact, it handles the demands of modern living much better than natural marble. In the kitchen, it makes for an unforgettable waterfall island or a seamless backsplash that reaches all the way to the ceiling. Whether you are cladding a feature wall or designing custom furniture pieces, Noir Laurent brings a high-end artistic feel to any project.